There comes a time in a boy's life where he graduates from holding the flashlight to doing the actual work. You might be thinking, wow, what a great father. But honestly, I've paid my dues and I'm too old for this shit.
I'm just a camera guy nowadays.
Today is that day, and my son Danny is so excited, he's literally shitting his pants.
It was my shoe.
What the f?
Oh shit. Here we go again.
What up, Star Ones? Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you're out there making it happen.
And smashing goals.
Another day, another Z problem.
Luckily, today's problem is not my problem. Over the past few weeks, we've been transforming the Z, which was wrapped by a scammer and absolutely clapped. So the fact that we have more issues, not surprising at all. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it after this video. It's freaking hilarious.
Coochie coochie coo. Don't do that.
At first, I thought it was a wheel bearing.
That sounds crazy.
But after a quick test drive, we heard what sounded like metal on metal every time we hit the brakes.
All my neighbors are like adults and shit, so they're like, everyone's working on their grass. So I'm trying to record in between the noise. It's kind of hard.
Yeah.
There it goes right there. Son of a bitch. So what's wrong with the Z now?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Before we get into that, let's hear a cold start from the Tome exhaust. Let's move some of the toys out the way so we can try to work with this little bit of shade we got here. This is literally the little bit of shade we got. This sucks. This is the one that's probably the fans' favorite. Little Honda Acti, so cute.
POV bro knows ball.
Ball knowledge. This one covers the secret sauce. It's gonna be the track build. Y'all don't even know what it is yet. This one under this cover is track build. Sebring content on the way.
With all the cars out of the way, we finally got a little bit of shade and took a closer look. And that's when Danny was about to get his first real lesson, not just on car parts, but on how everything works together. Because at some point, you gotta stop guessing and start understanding.
As we can see here on the brake caliper, we have a buildup of rust.
This one's the rotor.
I meant on the rotor, right there. Ooh, icky, icky, icky.
It is day 745 of trying to get the Z back on road.
It was my shoe. It was my shoe. It was my shoe.
What the f?
It's my shoe.
Hey, bro.
It's my shoe.
Yeah. The old blame the shoe trick, huh?
It was my shoe. It was literally my shoe.
Bro had one of those nervous farts.
After the whole my Crocs shat my pants debacle and an emergency underwear change, it was finally time to get to work.
In today's video, we're gonna change the brake pads and rotors with these beautiful brake pads and rotors sent by A1 Premium. Oh yeah. Oh, those are beautiful. We're also gonna change the emergency brake shoes. These look like they were f***ing returned.
Why do they all look different sizes?
That'd be crazy. I got you on camera, buddy.
Since I don't want Danny quitting on his first day on the job, I lay out the tools he's gonna need, explaining the use of each fluid and tool in what I can assure you is the most detailed, intricate, professional lesson a boy like him could ever get.
This I'm gonna use to bust the nuts.
What did he say?
This just in case we need to beat the brakes off.
Brakes off.
Woo-wee. Yeah, your boy did that. So, you know, we out here on a budget. You know what I mean? And nobody got $100 per wheel. 50 bucks altogether. Walmart special. Rust-Oleum special. And 2K clear. Pff, beautiful. I'm not gonna do a close-up or a cinematic because then you're gonna see all the f***ed up parts. It's a 10-footer. It's a 10-footer. Just like this thing. It's a 40-footer. Be thick though.
Yeah, boy.
Anyways, we're stalling. Look, the sun is coming. We gotta hurry up. Why is this car so f***ing squeaky? That's crazy. That shit sounds like me getting out of bed. My joints. Of course, your boy's gonna be doing all the work. I'm just a camera guy nowadays. God God damn, what the hell is all that dust? What the fuck?
Oh my lord.
Let's just call that his initiation. I sit behind the camera where I belong, clean and cancer-free.
By God. Oh my God, look at this. Crusty, dusty. Am I cooked? If I can get sponsored by A Premium and they send me all this stuff out, this car will be
A premium.
A Premium. A Premium. Holla at your boy. Y'all see me out here working? Well, y'all see him working.
Sponsor me.
I'm sorry for the dirty plug, y'all, but the way the rust is looking, your boy's gonna need all the help he can get, and I've already used all of Danny's college fund. Anyways, in the spirit of looking out for his mental health, I gave Danny tips and tricks on dealing with all this rusty, dusty mess.
I'm a mechanic. What y'all know about that?
Brian would be proud.
Yeah.
Brian need to give your ass a job.
Yeah.
J-O-B.
Is it dry as hell?
This is the caliper slide pin. Don't be throwing it around all willy-nilly. Remember to keep your tips clean, boys. It's crucial you keep your tips clean. And now this mofo is really starting to feel himself, like he's been doing this shit for years. So let's go ahead and enjoy some fixing stuff ASMR.
That, like that. Yeah. I got it. I think they're rusted together.
Brother, we had to smack that tang. That thing was rusted shut. Look at this thing. My God. This is crazy. Where's the pad? This thing has to be the original freaking brake pad. 50,000 miles is crazy.
50,000 miles of doom and despair, yo.
Pro tip, don't be an asshole. Don't let your caliper dangle by its dongle. Hang it up.
Man. All right, here we go. At one point, this was also slotted and drilled. Now it's just cross-threaded. Look at the poor little adjuster.
Smell like Cheerios. Y'all got brake cleaner, go huff the can.
Don't do that. Try again. Use some strength. God damn it.
That is just a little fatherly motivation. Sometimes you need a little bit of that to unlock your man strength.
Ooh wee, this thing is cooked. Man, that's crazy. Now, well, do you know how to put them back on?
Yeah.
Everything's connected, right?
Yeah.
If my car doesn't stop, we know who to blame.
You hit the brakes.
Smart ass motherfucker.
Damn. A plus for A Premium. You guys hooked it up. I need to stop saying hooked it up. I bought the shit. Anyways, next project, they're gonna hook it up. Running out of time. Golly, look at this. The winds are picking up.
Winds in the east. Mist coming in.
Racing against Mother Nature here. We're almost done. Just gotta press the caliper, put the pads on. tighten everything down, put the wheel on, and we're done.
Yes, the end was near. Everything was going surprisingly smooth, even though Mother Nature was looking a little sus. We were in good shape until tragedy struck. And this is why I'm quitting working on cars. Just like all employees, Danny went to go take an extra long shit on the clock, so I had to take over and absolutely destroyed my fingers switching out the rusty hardware kit.
Dang, everything's on there. Oh, that caliper is so ugly. Man, I'm gonna upgrade to the Brembos. All in a day's work. Everything's back together. If this video doesn't come out, the brakes didn't work. Blame him. Where the heck were you all day?
Sitting down watching Fortnite videos. Them youngins.
Well, what'd you learn today?
I learned with great power comes great responsibility.
Okay.
What did you learn today?
I learned that cars are awesome.
Cap.
That's why you were hiding all day. Yep, well, that sucked. I hate working with rusty bolts. That's what sucked.
Yeah.
That was garbage. Everything else was fine. Thank God it wasn't me.
It was a team effort.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget.
Spam in the comments, Mechanic Danny.
Do that. I like it.
See you on the next one.
Peace out. Putos.